You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model Y long range dual motor, all electric, with 34,000 miles. It's all-wheel drive, comes loaded, ABS traction, stability control, 20-inch premium induction wheels, white exterior, black premium interior. Full power options, heated leather seats. I'm sorry, vegan leather. Got the smart system, acceleration boost, autopilot, 34782 is the mileage. Premium sounds, DCS enabled. You can purchase full self-driving for $8,000 or rent it for $100 a month. You've got smart systems to watch Netflix when you park, the megaphone, heated seats all around. Gets about 300 miles, 100% charge. Nice clean car, absolutely no stories. Power tailgate, heat pump, floor mats right there. It does come with a charger. Privacy glass to the rear with rear vents. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.